guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the UA Tribase Reign 3. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Under Armour UA Tribase Reign 3. We got this in the grey colourway in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 42 and it's a US 8.5. And let's get looking. Here it is. This is, I think, our first Under Armour review. I think it is our first Under Armour review. I really wanted to do the Steph Curry ones. Well, we may do with these training sneakers, training shoes actually. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got multi-directional traction patterning and it's there with that Tribase logo here. Obviously these training shoes, trainers, whatever you want to call them, this was built in mind for training and, you know, doing lifts. So very sturdy, as it says on the Under Armour website. So it's therefore to promote natural movement when you're lifting weights, and overall it's there for your stability. Moving along on to the midsole. So this midsole unit is made out of a micro G foam. So essentially it's just a normal Phylon, what you find in EVA, it's just foam. But it's Under Armour's own one, so it's there here in this all grey colorway. And obviously it's there for your stability and your comfort. Moving along onto the upper, so this whole upper unit it's kind of split into two. So if you look along here at the front of the sneaker, it is a mesh unit. I mean, the whole sneakers are made out of mesh, but you kind of got little bits of plastic just ever so slightly above the mesh at the front, and it looks like mountain peaks. So you can see it here, it's painted, it's those plastic grays. And as I mentioned, it being split, so you've got a sock unit here with the booty function. And if you look into the inside, that's where you can find the ankle support, which is quite different because I kind of see it usually doesn't have any ankle support, and it's just usually with this little tape here where you put your feet in. The whole sneaker, as I mentioned, is a mesh unit and it's there on the tongue as well. It's not padded, unfortunately, but you got your typical lacing system and you got the Tribase Reign heat pressed onto it. We look at the heel counter. So this heel counter has the Under Armour logo. You got a pull tab here at the heel counter, and it does serve a function. So right here, where you see the little ridges, on Under Armour's website, this says this external heel counter is for added stability with the ridge construction for traction during headstand push-ups. So obviously you can use these sneakers when you're training, could be whatever you do, calisthenics, lifting weights, whatever. But apparently it's there with an added functions. I never knew sneakers were actually purposely built for one kind of workout. I mean, it is multifunctional, but I kind of understand what I mean. We're going along onto the insole. So this insole has the Under Armour logo here, and you got the Tribase incorporated there as well. It's just like nice neon orange, always goes well with the grey. And I did not mention how lightweight these sneakers are. Obviously, with it being lightweight, that's a plus for when you're exercising. I can't wait to try these on. This is going to be our first Under Armour sneaker review, obviously, so I have my reservations because these aren't really my kind of exercising sneakers, but let's give it a whirl. So roll out footage of me trying these on. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5, and these are a great fit. My toes are where they need them to be. You just saw me do a couple squats. These are really helped. And yeah, I do recommend them. They're very comfy. I feel very nicely comforted and supported around the heel. And the upper is really nice, like it just hugs my feet, which is what I really want when I'm doing some training. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.